Unlocking secrets, public key infrastructure explained. Ever wondered how your online data stays secure? Welcome to the world of public key infrastructure. This potent technology is the backbone of internet security, ensuring your sensitive information remains safe from prying eyes and cyber threats. In today's video, we'll break down the fundamentals of public key infrastructure for you. We aim to simplify these complex concepts, making them easy to understand. You'll gain a clear insight into how PKI works and why it matters. Let's start with a simple definition of public key infrastructure. PKI is a framework of policies, technologies, and procedures. It enables secure electronic communications, ensuring the authenticity and integrity of data through cryptographic keys and digital certificates. Why is PKI crucial for online security? It provides a robust mechanism to verify identities and encrypt data. This is essential in preventing unauthorized access, data breaches, and ensuring that your online transactions are both safe and trustworthy. PKI consists of several key components that work together to secure data. These include public and private keys, digital certificates, certificate authorities, and registration authorities. We'll explore each one in detail, shedding light on their specific roles. Public and private keys are the core of PKI. The public key is shared openly, while the private key remains confidential. These keys work together to encrypt and decrypt data, ensuring secure communication channels. Public keys and private keys function in tandem. When data is encrypted with a public key, only the corresponding private key can decrypt it. This ensures that even if intercepted, the data remains unreadable without the private key. Digital certificates play a crucial role in PKI by linking public keys to identities. Issued by trusted entities, these certificates verify that a public key indeed belongs to its purported owner, enhancing trust and security. Certificate authorities, CAs, are the trusted entities responsible for issuing digital certificates. They validate the identity of entities requesting certificates, ensuring that only legitimate parties receive them, thus maintaining a trusted online environment. Registration authorities, RAs, assist CAs by handling the initial identity verification process. They ensure that the information provided by entities is accurate and legitimate before forwarding the request to the CA for certificate issuance. In PKI, trust hierarchy ensures that users can trust the authenticity of digital certificates. This hierarchical structure begins with a root CA, followed by intermediate CAs, creating a chain of trust that verifies identities. Proper key management is crucial to maintaining PKI's security. It involves generating, distributing, storing, and revoking keys safely. Mishandling keys can lead to breaches, making key management practices vital for a secure PKI environment. PKI enables secure encryption and decryption by using a pair of cryptographic keys. The public key encrypts data, while the private key decrypts it. This ensures that only authorized recipients can access the encrypted information. PKI provides robust authentication by verifying the identity of users and devices. Digital certificates, issued by trusted CAs, authenticate entities, ensuring that communications are secure and that participants are who they claim to be. Ensuring data integrity is another critical function of PKI. By using digital signatures, PKI confirms that the data has not been altered during transmission. This guarantees that the information received is exactly what was sent. Non-repudiation is a critical aspect of PKI, ensuring that a sender cannot deny the authenticity of their message. Through digital signatures and cryptographic techniques, PKI provides undeniable proof of the origin and integrity of data. PKI plays a pivotal role in SSL/TLS protocols, which secure web browsing. By encrypting data between a user's browser and the server, PKI ensures that sensitive information like passwords and credit card numbers remain confidential and protected from interception. Email security is significantly enhanced with PKI. By enabling encryption and digital signatures, PKI ensures that only intended recipients can read the email content and verifies the sender's identity, preventing phishing and spoofing attacks. Code signing is another crucial application of PKI. Developers use digital signatures to authenticate software, ensuring that the code has not been tampered with. This guarantees users that the software they install is legitimate and secure. In the IoT landscape, PKI secures communication between devices. By authenticating devices and encrypting data transmissions, PKI protects against unauthorized access and ensures the integrity and confidentiality of data exchanged within IoT ecosystems. Implementing PKI isn't without its challenges. High setup costs, complexity, and the need for specialized knowledge can be barriers. Ensuring continuous maintenance and updates is critical to avoid vulnerabilities. Organizational buy-in is essential for successful PKI deployment. Despite challenges, best practices can mitigate risks. Regularly update software, enforce strict access controls, and conduct routine audits. Educate staff on PKI's importance and processes. Adopt automation tools for efficient key management and certificate issuance. Real-world examples highlight PKI's effectiveness. Online banking relies on PKI for secure transactions. E-commerce platforms use digital certificates to verify vendor authenticity. Government agencies employ PKI for secure communication and data exchange, ensuring confidentiality and trust. The future of PKI looks promising with advancements in quantum-resistant algorithms. Increased IoT adoption necessitates robust security measures, positioning PKI as a cornerstone. Innovations in automation and AI will streamline PKI management, enhancing its scalability and reliability. Many misconceptions about PKI persist. It's not just for large enterprises, small businesses can benefit too. PKI isn't overly complex with proper guidance. It's not a one-time setup. Ongoing management ensures lasting security and effectiveness. Understanding PKI can be challenging, so let's address some frequently asked questions. How does PKI ensure secure communication? How are digital certificates issued? What measures should be taken for effective key management? We've got answers to these and more. To recap, we've explored the essentials of PKI, including public and private keys, digital certificates, and the roles of certificate authorities and registration authorities. We also delved into encryption, authentication, data integrity, and non-repudiation. For expert advice, begin by familiarizing yourself with the basic concepts of PKI. Invest in reliable CA services and ensure robust key management practices. Always stay updated on the latest security trends and advancements in the field. PKI plays a crucial role in safeguarding online interactions. Its significance extends across various applications, from secure web browsing to IoT security. Emphasizing its importance can lead to more secure and trustworthy digital communication. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share to stay informed about online security. Your engagement helps us deliver more valuable content. Stay secure online and keep learning about PKI.